Hello guys, I'm going to do weekly current affair, and this will not be some sort of weekly current affair. Every 10 day I'll upload a current affair, and this will be some sort of revision of current affair. So I hope you people are doing current affair every day. It's very important. There are many good current affair people who upload video, and one of them is Study IQ. So do watch every day a current affair, and this will be some sort of complementary of the current affair. This will help to revise things very fastly. So let's move and let's do the current affair for today. Let's start the work. Okay, the first is the PM Modi quits Chinese social media Weibo. As you know, there is no social media in China. I mean, there is no Facebook and WhatsApp, but there is a obviously social media named Weibo, Weibo, which is explicitly meant for Chinese people. And the PM Modi had joined that the Weibo in 2015, and he now quit it. And then he had to delete this 115 post also, and it was a tough. Deleting post was tough, it seems, in Weibo, but he had done it. So let's move to next current affair. So look, GST in April to June has stood to 1.86 lakh crore, but April to June 2019 it was 3.14 lakh crore. So a substantial decrease of 41%, and obviously it is because of lockdown, because the output has decreased substantially, and hence the GST has decreased substantially. So let's move. Okay, this is good question. Iravi Perur Gram Panchayat created two robot nurse. First name is Asa. It's actually, the name is Asa, is actually some sort of first line of defense, because it is said during COVID-19, you are not supposed to go and meet or go in direct contact with COVID-19 patient. So this might help the nurse, this robot might help COVID patient as well as other doctors as well as nurses also. So minimum contact is important. So let's move. And there's other board, even Kerala has started, that is known as Karmi board, and again for COVID patient itself. Okay. And now Jagan Reddy has started 1088 strong ambulance fleet. Okay. So he inaugurated around 1088 strong ambulance fleet. Okay. Tripura government has is giving fruit to everyone to boost the immunity. It is said that the citrus food actually helps in boosting your immunity. So eat as many as vitamin C you can. Like Amla juice is one of the best source of vitamin C. So it will help in boosting immunity, because there is no drug, and even the vaccine is under development. Okay. So Ministry of Defense started 33, approved 33 new fighter jet, and the cost is 38,900 crore rupees. And what all fighter jet included in that? 21 MiG 29 fighter plane, an upgrade of 59 MiG 29, and 12 Su-30 Mk-I aircraft, all from Russia. Okay, so let's move to the next. And other deal also include Pinaka ammunition. Pinaka ammunition is developed by India's DRDO. Okay, Delhi government started plasma bank at ILBS, that is Indian Liver Biliary Science Hospital in Delhi. Right? Plasma is has lots of antibodies which helps in fighting COVID viruses. So hence Delhi government has started this plasma bank, so that if any COVID patient needs the plasma, they can get it very easily. Okay. Okay. Other question is also other current affair is also based on plasma bank. The Soho Jodha is an online plasma bank exchange forum created by Bangladesh. So Soho Jodha is a online plasma exchange created by Bangladesh. Okay. Next is India is back to United Nations Security Council. You should know there are 15-member United Nations Security Council, 5 are permanent and 10 are temporary. India is back for 2 years, that is a temporary member. And India, this time, India is serving 8th time in United Nations Security Council. Other members include, apart from India, Norway, Ireland, Mexico, and Kenya. They were also, elected this time, and they'll also serve for 2 years. And look, T.S. Trimurti is now India's new permanent representative at UN. ठीक है? Okay, Madhya Pradesh government got 28 new minister, and they already had 5 minister, and obviously with Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan, so now they are 34. Total is 34. Okay. Okay, if you see, Saharanpur Divisional Commissioner has sent a proposal that proposal to the UP government that there is something called Shivalik Forest in Saharanpur. It's foothill of Himalaya. It's near Uttarakhand. The Saharanpur Circle, declares Shivalik Forest at Saharanpur Circle at Green Reserve. Tiger Reserve. So it is said that Shivalik Forest has many tigers. Nowadays they are spotting many tigers. So they want to convert Shivalik forest as a tiger reserve. Okay, C. Rangarajan. C. Rangarajan was our former RBI governor and was a great economist. He is a great economist. He got Mahalan Bolis Award. Mahalan Bolis was the great statistician of India. And if you know, India's Statistics Day is on 29th of June, but World Statistics Day is 20th of October. This is the same thing. Okay, Too Much and Never Enough. How My Family Created World's Most Dangerous Man. This was the book written by Mary Trump, a relative of Trump. I think he is a niece of Trump. Okay, let's move to the next slide. Okay, NIRF ranking has come. You should all should know this. IIT Madras has topped in all. If you cumulatively say which institute is best in India, that is IIT Madras. But best university is Indian Institute of Science. And IIT Madras also started programming and data science course. That is not course, that is degree course. So if anyone wants to enroll in this course, it's good. It will be a very good course. Okay. HDFC Bank launched e-Kisan Dhan app for farmer. Okay, and what will this app will do? How this app will help Kisan? e-Kisan Dhan will provide value-added service like mandi price, what is price of any commodity in mandi, latest farming news, any special news like monsoon and all, weather forecast, information on seed variety, which type of seeds are there, SMS advisory, e-Pasuhat, Kisan TV and more. So like e-Kisan Dhan is very good for farmer. Okay. Now, Pakistan Army appoint first female Lieutenant General. The first female Lieutenant General of Pakistan Army, the name is Nigar Johar. So the name is Nigar Johar. And in 2017, Nigar Johar became the third woman officer in Pakistani Army to attain the rank of Major General. Okay. The Nigar Johar is important question. You should remember the name Nigar Johar. Okay, there is something called Dream Kerala project for rehabilitation of expat. Because of this COVID-19, many people from Middle East is coming back to India, and many of them are from Kerala. So Kerala government has started Dream Kerala project. In this, what they'll do, they'll create they'll ask for proposal of different proposal of work from people, and they'll implement it in 100 days also. Okay. Indra Mani Pandey appointed India's permanent general representative in UN in Geneva. Remember this term Geneva is important. India's permanent representative to UN, I have already told in the last slide. But Indra Mani Pandey is at India's permanent representative to UN in Geneva. Okay. This is good question. Actually, all-rounder Ravindra Jadeja has been named as India's most valuable test player in the 21st century by Wisden magazine. ठीक है, and the ranking with an MVP rating, they have some sort of rating system. He got 97.3 rating. And if you see, this is in India, and remember this in test player, not one day. Okay, and the second, but in world he's second most valuable test player, and behind Sri Lanka legend Muthaiya Muralidharan. Okay, next is Carl Reiner, who is a comedian, very good comedian. He died, he passes away. Very bad news. Okay, Ravindra Bhakur, CEO of Censor Board, new CEO of Censor Board. Okay, US says ki Hawaii and JT, you are not allowed in my country. I wish India also say this. After becoming CM, Thackeray went to Pandharpur for Ekadasi, Asadhai Ekadasi prayer. And there is a Lord Vittal temple, and he went to pray, and he did this Asadhai Ekadasi prayer. Okay, Project Platina is also project for plasma therapy. Okay, India named host of 2022 AFC World Asian Cup after 1979. Remember this? After 1979, first time India will be hosting 2022 AFC, Women's Asia's Cup. So let's move to the next slide. Okay, look, next Asian game will be held in China. And the Asian Cup and Asian Game is two different things. Asian Cup is all about football. Asian Game is about different games. It has many games. Okay, this is a good question actually. Namami Gange, World Bank is actually giving money around 3,000 crore rupees to develop and improve infrastructure. They are supposed to develop and improve infrastructure to abate pollution, to decrease or abate pollution in the river basin. Namami Ganga, or National Mission for Clean Energy, has already received 4,535 crore rupees from the World Bank until December 2021 as a part of first phase of National Ganga River Basin project. So far, 313 projects worth rupees 25,000 crore has been sanctioned under this mission. So remember this fact. World Bank is also paying around 3,000 crore rupees to in this Namami Ganga project. So this is a good news for India. Covaxin, India's first indigenous COVID vaccine, is developed by Hyderabad-based Bharat Biotech. Good news for India, and this is in phase 1 trial. Okay, Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa of Karnataka launched Skill Connect Forum. What will happen in this Skill Connect Forum? It is some sort of portal. It is a portal which connects private entrepreneur as well as job seeker in same platform. Okay, so any entrepreneurs can enroll in this platform, and job seeker can enroll in this platform, and they can talk to each other. Job seeker can get the job, entrepreneur can get the employee. Okay, good place to for job seeker. Okay, legendary West Indies batsman Everton Week passes away. He was around 85 or 95 year old. Very good batsman. Okay, researcher at Indian Institute of Technology, Gandhinagar, developed AI-based tool to detect COVID-19 with chest X-ray. Right, chest X-ray. From chest X-ray, now you will able to say that the guy has COVID-19 or not, and it was developed by IIT Gandhinagar. So guys, I'll stop here because I will not create video for more than 15 minutes, and this is already 14 minutes. Another video will come. That will be also 15 minutes, and that will finish the last 10 days current affair. This is some sort of revision video, as I have already told you. So guys, bye. I'll meet you in other video. Bye bye.